Now, Parliament witnessed a fiery debate on communal violence on Wednesday, but politicians have chosen to play blame game over riots instead of offering solution to the grave problem. And the communal violence debate is likely to continue in Lok Sabha today as well.
A fierce debate in Parliament on the most pressing issue in the nation. And in the Lok Sabha, parties indulged in blame game.
अगर किसी को हिम्मत आती है कि जो इंसिडेंट कराने में, एक्साइट कराने में या ये जो हादसे होते हैं, तो इसके पीछे अगर किसी को ये महसूस होता है मेरे पीछे कोई पॉलिटिकल पावर है, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूं, वही व्यक्ति कर
हिंदू सांप्रदायिकता नहीं, हिंदू राष्ट्रीयता का प्रतीक है और भारत की राष्ट्रीयता का प्रतीक हिंदुत्व को बदनाम करोगे तो उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी इन लोगों को.
And outside Parliament too, tempers soaring high as political parties continue to engage in a mindless blame game over communal violence.
You have communal riots galore in UP.
Sir, why are you not answering my question?
All the places where BJP is not in power, there is communal violence.
Sir, you forget.
He wants to use it to come to power.
Well, then you have an ineffective administration. You can't control riots.
Because this whole facade of what we have been hearing during election campaign is now badly exposed in one speech. And I'm sure in coming days and months and years, the true thing will come out.
In the recent times, UP has seen a spike in communal violence incidents, but the SP government has no answer for the breakdown of law and order situation.
We don't communalize every incident of heinous crime that happens like it happened in Meerut. This is my reply to them, and I think a lot of questions need to be answered by the BJP.
I can go on, I can reel on district after district how you are trying to disturb the communal harmony in Uttar Pradesh in order to seek vote from people of UP.
While the blame game continues, each side escalating the issue.
हिंदू सांप्रदायिकता नहीं, हिंदू राष्ट्रीयता का प्रतीक है और भारत की राष्ट्रीयता का प्रतीक हिंदुत्व को बदनाम करोगे तो उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी इन लोगों को.
And each side stoking passions will have to reflect on whether the language in Parliament helps contain violence or end up doing otherwise. Bureau Report, Times Now.